The San Francisco Bay Restoration Authority is adding to its many success stories, like India Basin in San Francisco, the South Bay Salt Ponds, and here in Richmond, combating sea level rise, which threatens the Richmond Parkway, the West County Wastewater Facility, and low-lying residential neighborhoods.
We need to protect that infrastructure because, believe it or not, sea level is rising, and we're a wastewater facility, so we are at the bottom of the hill.
In the Bay Area, back in 2016, the voters approved Measure AA, which provides $25 million a year for San Francisco Bay restoration works.
The project that we have here that we're talking about primarily is what's been funded by the San Francisco Bay Restoration Authority. This is our second grant that we've received to do a conceptual plan and then detailed design work for a 0.6 mile stretch along the waterfront here on the North Richmond shoreline.
So right now we're at Terminal 4 in the city of Richmond, where we did a large derelict wharf removal project.
This right here was the largest derelict wharf in San Francisco Bay, constructed in 1902. This was a 1,000-foot long wharf, wooden pier, over 2,500 pilings, mostly wooden creosote pilings, as well as some concrete, and then some pilings that had been wrapped in concrete to try to shore them up over time. These pilings were just floating off and floating around the bay, causing navigational problems. The Army Corps of Engineers has a big cleanup program every week. This was a regular part of their stop because it had so much debris coming off of this structure.
Another 2 successful projects. More are on the way, thanks to Bay Area voters. In Richmond, Mark Jones reporting.